we setting ourselves up for failure?
Probably.
Probably. We're gonna do it anyway. The number of requests that we get for fades is uncanny. I don't know why people want to see fades so bad. And we don't do them that often. How many fades have we done in the history of the channel? 1 or 2?
No, probably 3.
3? It's Halloween in a couple of days, right? So we're going to be using Zombie Midnight Flip, because it's Halloween, fading into a satin black. It should be pretty awesome. We're working on the 3 series today. Now, we didn't discuss this before we started filming. Front zombie to back black or front black to back zombie?
I think the front has more curves, so it would...
Front zombie fading into black in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, here's Zombie Midnight Flip. This is a very cool pearl. Old school, excellent coverage, surprising amount of saturation and shift for such a dark pearl. It shifts from like
greens, purples,
blues, greens, but in like a dark, sinister kind of way. It's very cool. We're doing everything today in satin next gen top coat, because that satin aggressive sheen should be a really good fit for the project. Pigment load, we can't really go right or wrong on this too much, right? It's just a matter of getting it done. So I think we're gonna go 50 grams a gallon on the Zombie Midnight Flip. So here's 25, here's 50. This stuff should mix up pretty well. See, there's a deceiving amount of sparkle in this pearl. Everyone who uses it thinks it's gonna be super dark, but there's a lot more color than you expect. It's got that kind of like a black mica base to it. I don't know how much you guys can see here. I'll show you a little stick of truth in a second. But the idea, the concept, is going to be essentially full color coverage in the front. As you go over the front tire, still full color coverage, and as you start creeping up to the doors in between, the front door, back door split, that's when the zombie fades out, right?
Yep.
And we've already got a base of black PDS on the car, but we're gonna seal everything with satin next-gen top coat, meaning not only will the zombie flip, but the black will be a beautiful satin sheen by the time we're done. Hopefully. We have done, like Gabe said, maybe 3 fades. I don't know if we got away with all 3, because it's a little bit risky. The truth is, we don't know how to do it. That's the problem. We just make it up as we go along. We just kind of start feathering out and looking at each other and giving each other thumbs up until we think we're done. So here's Zombie Midnight Flip. Like I said, dark, but there's some greens, some really deep blues, maybe some purple tones as well. It shifts more than you expect. One of our most popular pearls, by the way. Okay, zombie into black, fade, right? Are we setting ourselves up for failure?
Probably.
Probably. We're gonna do it anyway. Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, every time we do a fade or a technique like this, we learn a little bit as we go. Something we did not expect at all. We knew when you rotated the car, you were gonna see the green from the zombie fade into the black. But we're actually seeing the midnight shift color shift. So when you rotate, the green turns into that blue purple, and then it completely disappears, and the whole side of the car looks black. Super cool effect. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Can't say that we can take credit for it because it wasn't on purpose. We're gonna take the car outside right now so you can check it out. You know what to do. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about this one. Let us know if you love it or hate it. Rate it 1 through 5. If you want to dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, all of our DIY friendly kits are in one place for you right here. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. I hope you have a fun and safe Halloween. We'll see you on the next video.